Hey guys, welcome back. For today's video, I'm so excited to reviewing and trying out the new Kylie Cosmetics times Batman collection. I know. I was kind of talking crap about this collection before it actually came out, and I said I wasn't gonna buy it. But that's until I actually saw the collection, I saw the palette itself, and I completely fell in love with it, and I am definitely eating my words right now. You guys know I'm not really a Kylie Cosmetics fanatic. Like, I can care less for her brand, to be quite honest. But this collection, I mean, look at it. Just look at it. It's beautiful. And I also got the little makeup bag. So I got the whole bundle, which is actually still in stock. It comes with the makeup bag, the highlighter, the lip trio, some gel liners, and the actual palette, and that retails for $133. You're sort of getting a little discount buying the bundle. And then she does have the other stuff on her website still in stock. The only thing that's out of stock is the Batman 10 PR box, which I thought was pretty cool, but that's 200 bucks. I'd rather just get the collection, not keeping the 10. But if you're a huge Batman fanatic, you're probably like this. So let's go ahead and dive into this palette. So this is the actual outer packaging of the palette, and it has the shadings in the back. This does have a 12-month shelf life. It was made in the USA, assembled in the Dominican Republic. This is a vegan formula. So here is the palette. This is the front. Here's the back. It looks like a legit comic book. And then if you open it, it has like a little comic strip right here. It has a mirror, which you can't take this off, the little plastic thing that's on the mirror, but I'm gonna keep it on because that's actually pretty cool. And here are the shades. The shades in this palette are actually super gorgeous and literally goes with the theme of the palette. I just love the look of this. I don't know if you guys can tell on camera, but it has like a little glossy finish to it too. And I love that so much. And that was the palette. Here is the mini eyeliner set. I love the tin box. I am going to keep this tin because I feel like you can put stuff in here. This does easily come out. So we have a green, a blue, and a black eyeliner. I will swatch these for you. So here is the black. That was a horrible swatch. Oh my god. But it's so pretty. It has like little glitter reflex in it, and it seemed like you do have to build it up. Like, what was that? I should have done like a straight line. So let's do a better one. So here is the green. Also, oh, very, very gorgeous. Has that glitter in it. The blue. Gorgeous. I also did get the lip trio. Comes with 3 shades. I think these shades are brand new to the collection too. Yeah, this is Pow, which is a blue with glitter reflex, and this one does not have a name on it, and so does this one. I think, yes. The little stickers got stuck to the bottom, so let me get that. I'm assuming Catwoman is the purple one. Correct me if I'm wrong. I'm just putting on the little stickers on the bottom. And this one's Bait. I love how tiny they are. They're super cute. I will swatch these on my lips too once we're done with the makeup look. And here is the highlighter. This one's called Gotham City. And I honestly really love the look of this highlighter. It has the little Batman logo. It reminds me of what shines in the sky when they're calling him. And then here is the inside. I will be placing this on my face too, so you'll get like a good look at it. But look at that. It has like legit the Gotham buildings, the logo. It's so pretty. And like I said, the 10 case, you can definitely take this out and you can use it for other stuff, which I am gonna do because I think this is so cute. And here is the makeup bag. I am so in love with this makeup bag. This is gonna be for sure like my everyday makeup bag. It's pretty big. And the inside is lined with black, and it has like material you can just wipe off. It gets dirty. And the zipper has the Batman logo on it. It's just so cute. I already have like my favorite MAC mascara on here. I had to buy a new one. Alright guys, so I'm sure you're excited as me to try out this palette. So let's go ahead and jump into it. So I literally don't know what I'm going to do with this palette. I do want to do the blues and maybe add like a pop of yellow in my inner corner or do the green. So let's see. I think I am gonna start with He Returns, which is this matte brown shade. I love that. It is pretty powdery, but I'm not experiencing any fallout with it. I am using a Morphe x Ariel 811 brush, or A11, sorry. And then I'm gonna use the shade Bat Signal, which is this dark brown shade, right next to that one. And I'm gonna be using that with a Morphe x Ariel A25 brush. This is going literally in the crease. Going back in with that Morphe x Ariel 811 brush, taking He Returns, which is that first shade that we used, and diffusing Bat Signal. I do have to work with these eyeshadows a little bit more, but that's why you just have to go in slowly and just blend as much as you can. Okay, so the black shade in this palette is calling my name, and then the green, the yellow, and the blue are calling my name, but I just don't know which ones I want to use. I'm definitely going to put that black shade on my outer V, which is called Batmobile, and with the 829 brush from Morphe and Ariel, I'm just going to pat that very lightly on the outer V. Considering this is like a pretty black shade and I am grabbing a little amounts of it at a time, I don't have any fallout. It's awesome. Now with the e.l.f. x J Kissa J1 brush, I'm going to go back in with Bat Signal and diffuse Batmobile and have it just blend in into the crease and with the other shades. That literally took no effort to blend out. And then just going back in with He Returns. Making sure I'm just blending everything. Go back in with a black shade. And there you go. Now, do I either want to go with that khaki green or do I want to go with the blue? I feel like I usually go with the blue, so I'll just add that to the inner portion of my eye. Or should I use a shimmer? I think what I'm gonna do is just play with that green, and that shade's called Riddle Me This. And I'm not gonna clean up my eye, I'm just gonna leave it like that in hopes that this shade cleans up everything by itself. Well, hopes that it's pigmented enough to cut it. This is legit turning out to be like an all matte look. And I love it. That green is pretty pigmented. That definitely packs a punch. Now going back in with Batmobile. Adding the intensity of that black back in, that looks gorgeous. So I'm gonna go back in with Bat Signal very lightly and just intensifying this area right here. Luckily, as I'm adding that, it's not taking away anything from that green shade we placed down. I am doing this with a very light hand with no extra product. I'm just lightly bringing this up a little bit too. Okay, so for inner corner highlight, do I want to go the safe route or do I want to be basic and just use that yellow one for my inner corner? I feel like they'll look really good together. So with a pencil brush, I'm using the 8-7 from Morphe x Ariel. Can you guys tell that I love these brushes? I really do think if you guys are looking for buying like really good brushes, definitely invest in Ariel's collection. So I'm using the shade Comic, which is that bright yellow. I decided to put that in my inner corner. That's gorgeous. And it's not chalky at all. I low-key thought it was gonna be a little bit chalky, but she definitely proved me wrong. I'm just intensifying the color a little bit. I am obsessed. Now, what to do with the lower lash line? That is the question. I definitely want to use this black liner. I think I want to try it to make like a wing liner with this. We'll see if this will work out. I don't know, this formula is just too stiff for this. That's what I want to do. It is kind of dragging a little bit, so I do have to like work with it. Now, I mean, that's not perfect, but it is doing the job. Now for my lower lash line, I think I'm just gonna add whatever I did to my lower lashes, top eyelid to my bottom eyelid, because I don't want to overwhelm it. So I'm gonna go in with Back Sentinel, which is that deep dark brown shade. Add that close to my lower lashes. And I wiped off any excess product that I've had from a lash shade, and I'm going to use the 825 brush, getting heat returns. Now I do want to add this to my inner corner, my lower lash line, not my lower lash line, but my waterline. I'm just a little scared since it has little particles that will go in my eye, but let's just try it. I think my eyes are a little bit too watery for this, so it's not going to show up. So I was excited about these, but I'm not a big fan of them. I did get a little bit of fallout right here, but that's okay. You can easily fix that. Just sweep it away. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put on some mascara and some eyelashes and do this side, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I am wearing the Lily lashes in the cell Sassy. Absolutely love those lashes. I've been using them non-stop, and I am in love with how well this look came out. I did wish that black was a little bit more like blacker, but honestly I loved it just because it wasn't too tense and I can easily blend it out with the browns. Also, if you hear any background noise, I'm so sorry. I'm trying to talk a little louder so you guys don't hear it, and I can also try to edit some of that noise out. So anywho, I love the way my eyes came out. They look so pretty. The only thing I'm not too fond of are the eyeliners, but we'll talk about that later. Alright, so now that I have my eyelashes or my eyes done, I'm going to go ahead and start swatching the lip glosses. So I'm going to start off with shade Pow, which is this blue shade right here. It smells like candy. And I have no liner on my lips. This is just literally just my lips. I honestly thought it was gonna be like a lot more bluer, but look, you like this. This actually looks nice. Here is Pow. Here is Bat. This one doesn't have a lot of pigment to it, but it is still a very pretty gloss. You can use this like on top of a nude lip color and it'll look really nice. Here is Catwoman. This one definitely has a lot more pigment. Sorry about my messy swatch. But it's so pretty. I love this shade. And feels comfortable on the lips. Actually, this is a matte lip paint, so it's not a gloss. The other two were glosses. Alright, so I did put on my Rare Beauty lip liner in the shade Worthy, and I placed on top the lip gloss in the shade Pow, and I like this combo a lot. It's so pretty. I'm gonna zoom you guys out. Okay, now for like the last product I'm gonna try out is the highlighter. This is in the shade Gotham City. I honestly don't even want to touch this because the embossment of this is so pretty. But I have to. I'm gonna go into one of those skyscrapers right here. So I got a good amount. It's okay. I wouldn't say it's like super crazy. Maybe I have to go in a little bit more with it. There you go. Now this does have like a blue shift to it, which is something I wouldn't normally wear because you can definitely see a streak on my face, but it's pretty. I feel like this wouldn't be like for everyday wear. Unless you like these type of highlighters, then all power to you. I just literally got it because it was so pretty. And there's like a lot of dust particles coming off of it too. It's pretty, but something I wouldn't wear all the time. I feel like I just have it just because it's a collector's item. Alright guys, so let's round down the products I used. I absolutely adore this palette. It's so beautiful. I love the shades in here. Do wish the black was a little bit more black, but it's doable. I can work with it. So for the shades I tried out are gorgeous, as you can see in the video. It's so pretty. The eyeliners, I'm definitely not a fan of. I definitely feel like she could have done it a little bit more creamier. I feel like, I don't know, it's just not my jam. It does have like a little sharpener at the end of the pencil so you can sharpen that itself. But other than that, I mean, these shades are beautiful, but I have to find a different way how I should use them. So I might look up like one of her videos or look up someone else's videos to see how they use these. I mean, they're just too stiff for me for it being an eyeliner. And it was a little bit hard to run it through my waterline. So I don't know if I just have to warm them up a little bit and then place on my waterline. But definitely not a fan. I am keeping this 10 though. I'm happy about the 10. And then the two glosses and the matte lip paint. I honestly love the two glosses. They're so pretty. This matte lip paint is gorgeous too. I can definitely see myself using it for winter, and it did feel really moussey and soft, and it made my lips look like I have raisin lips. And I like that because I feel like I struggle a lot when it comes to my texture of my lips. But other than that, like, I honestly really enjoy this collection. Some of the stuff can be just collector's items. I definitely be using the palette more because I feel like it's just too gorgeous to have it sit around. Eyeliners are definitely a pass. The lip gloss trio or lip set is definitely a go for me. And the highlighter, I think this is just a collector's item. And I can't wait to make this into my everyday makeup bag. I'm going to start putting in all my everyday makeup in here and just travel with this because I just love the bag. It's just so iconic. So for this collection, I feel like she did kill it. Some of the products were hit and miss, but some of them were also like really amazing, and I'm so happy I actually got my hands on this collection and was able to try it out. Also, I did buy all this with my own money. If you guys know who I am, I didn't get sent this products. I bought it with my money, so don't worry. This is like 100% my honest opinion on the collection. Honestly, if you're a Batman lover or like collector, you would love this collection. Alright, so with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, go ahead and give me a like, comment down below, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I'll see you guys in my next video.